Hey, what's going on, everybody? So here we are. So pretty much we are at the Sonic trying to get some food, but this lady was mad mean to us, trying to order something. Let's see what she's gonna say. We're definitely gonna ask her, why are you so mean to us? Because she sounded mean. So let's see what happens.
Can I get, my bad, can I get a ranch dog?
So we left Sonic because it took 20 minutes and that's not happening. So we ended up at McDonald's, as you can see, a big sign right there. Took us like 3 minutes here instead of like 30. A lot better. People coming to the meet and then finding out they live in the same city. Oh my God, that's funny. Look at those wheels. He's about to drop it in the ground right next to the rest. Oh, that's crazy. Sheesh, can't wait till I get bags. Look at that, he slammed. They not yet. But yeah, look at those wheels, man. These wheels are insane. Like, this is like the wheels I actually want on my next Accord. Shit. That's super clean, beautiful. That is insane. We got a touring showing up right here. What? What? Someone got money. Look at that. It's touring right there. Those wheels low-key look really nice. And then we got two more right here popped up. Everyone got different wheel setup. Definitely gonna go over it. Yeah, the wind came out of nowhere, but check this out. Like, everyone got wheels if you look at it. Yeah, he's got wheels. They got wheels. Touring wheels right there. Stock. I think he has different wheels. Yeah, he does. So just only, I would say touring is nice, so. Yep. We got Type R right here. Type R, bro. This is wild. We're waiting on more Accords to pop out.